Here we go. Arty 84 here, live here in Moosic, Pennsylvania, here at the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders. I think that's how you pronounce it. And we're at PNC Field here, and it's a cool little stadium actually. It's in the base of a mountain, a ski resort, and there's plenty to do here. It is a Saturday in April, and it's a little cool tonight, but it's an afternoon game, 4 o'clock. Plenty to do. It's a nice little stadium. If you want to walk around and take some video, take some shots. It's a nice little concourse that goes completely around the stadium, so you can walk around, check everything out. They have a berm over there, and like right center field-ish. And nice little concourse. I love it. A little kids concourse over here behind me that you can play with and everything. So I'm gonna keep on walking, take some shots, and check this place out. But pretty good game here. They're playing the Iron Pigs, which is the Philadelphia Phillies AAA team as well. So Yankees, Phillies, AAA club. Awesome time today. So the cool part about this field too, you can see right into both teams' bullpens. So we can actually take a look see what they're doing on there. It's pretty cool. And it's like nice views out here instead of field. You can kind of actually left field. Kind of hang out, check it out. That's our hotel up on the hill. And that's how we end it. Baseball stadium at night.